learn?
Anong tanong mo kuya? Kanya?
I told him what did he learn in class?
Anong sagot mo tol? Tanong ni kuya.
Teacher.
Eh?
Teacher.
Wow, wala mong sagot. Ang galing ng kuya eh. Yung agad unang tanong ni kuya kahapon. Hindi ko yan si Uto sa school eh.
He got what?
Wala lang. Sabi ng teacher, nakikinig daw siya. Very good daw si Uto kasi nakikinig.
Well, that's one thing I don't have.
Bakit? Hindi mo nang-aaway si Uto lah. Diba tol? Hindi ka nang-aaway sa school. Wala ikaw away sa school, no? Wala.
He's
Very good ikaw.
extremely shy when it comes to meeting people.
Oh.
He doesn't even talk.
Anong pugi na pugi yung Utol, oh.
He only
Pogi na
he
pogi
only
yan.
talks with people he knows.
Pugi na pugi yung Utol namin. Sino tong isa? Sino to? Kain dami. Sino yan? Dapat naligo sa milk.
A bit more.
Pugi ka? Ha? School ka? Ini. Bawa. Tentu aduh. Bawa. Nagjitik yung buyi namin. Buyi. Nagjitik yan. Happy ikaw? Ha? Happy ba yun? Uy.